What's up, y'all? Lots Repair back again with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to remove your guard from your Echo trimmer. I actually have the new trimmer. It's not really new. It's been out probably, I think it came out a couple years ago. Not for sure, but I got the 2620. At first I was like, man, this weed eater seems like it's weak. Mainly I think it's because the screen on the trimmer is probably like maybe 15 inches out between both lines. It's about a I think it says 17, maybe it's 17, a 17-inch cutting swath. As it rotates, each piece of screen is like probably 7 to 8 inches out. To me personally, I think it's not enough, because the trimmer, if you get to some tough grass, it don't want to really cut it. Because the screens are so short. So what it does, it pushes the screen down, and it won't allow the screen to cut, because the guard on it cuts the screen off. On this particular trimmer are pretty short. It's probably, I think it's like 7, it's about maybe about 8 inches out. But anyway, I don't have problems with a bunch of sticks and rocks and stuff. It's not safe to operate the trimmer without the guard. You really could get hurt. In my case, I don't have a lot of rocks and things of that nature that could bounce out and hit me. By keeping my yard pretty clean, and the yards that I cut is clean as well. So I don't recommend you to take it off, but for this particular trimmer, it seems to cut a whole lot better without the guard for some reason. I don't know if it really makes it any lighter. It's not a heavy trimmer anyway, but I don't think it makes it any lighter. But I mean, like I said, the trimmer feels pretty light. I think it says it weighs about maybe 12 pounds, I think. Without the guard, it's probably about 11. The guard is not that much to really make too much of a big difference, as far as I'm concerned. But I'm gonna show you guys what the trimmer looks like without the guard on it. Okay. This is what the trimmer looks like. This is the cutting head. This is the cutting head right here. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you guys what the cutting head looks like. Okay, this is what the cutting head looks like. Okay, there's about 3 or 4 screws that you're gonna have to use. You're gonna have to take those out in order to get this head off. Okay, so let me just show you what the trimmer looks like. See, there's your head right here. Here's the screws. It's about can't really see them. The head, you have to remove this head. Okay, but yeah, this is the other trimmer. This is my 2620, brand new. I've had it now for about maybe a month, I believe. I'm not for sure. Okay. I actually own 2 of them. I got one for a really good deal when Echo was having their sale. I got one for a real good price. Okay, but I'm gonna show you the other one. Okay, all right, this is the 3020. All right, very powerful weed eater. I haven't really put it through the test, but that video will be coming soon. The next time I go and cut grass, I'm going to show you guys what this thing will do in some tall grass, as well as the 2620. Okay, so yeah, that video is coming soon, but let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Okay, and now this is the head of the trimmer, right? What you got to do, there's a little slit. There's a little slit on the side of this trimmer that you're gonna need to put a screwdriver in. I'm gonna see if I can show it to you. The sun is shining. I can't really see it, but let me see if I can. Hold on, give me 1 second. Can you guys see that? See, as I rotate it, that's metal right there. You gotta line it up where you see the hole, and you put a screwdriver inside of there or something small, and then you just take your weed eater head off. Okay, so I'm gonna try to slide it back so you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, all right, and you just take your screwdriver and stick it in that little hole and twist it to the right. Okay, you're gonna twist it clockwise, right? You're gonna twist that clockwise like this. Okay, twist it clockwise. Take that head off. This is a cheap head I bought from off of Amazon for about $10 or $12. It's pretty good. Yeah, so it's pretty good. I mean, it's not the best, but I said I'd rather wear that out first before I wear my other one out, since it's brand new. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you remove the cover. Okay, you're gonna have 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. You're gonna take your 27 Torx head, 27. See if you can see that. It's got 27 right here on the bit. It's a T27. Okay, you're gonna take that Torx head, put it in there, and twist it out. Okay, you're gonna turn it to the left. Okay, and turn that left to the left until it comes out. Okay, turn it to the left. Right. You're gonna take that one out and take the other one and twist it out as well. Okay, if you want, you can go ahead and slide this off. This is just a little gear head. You can go ahead and just slide it right off until you get finished doing your stuff. Okay, just pulling all this grass off of it. We're already working on it. Okay, I'm gonna take this one out as well. Okay, all right, that's 2. All right, you're gonna have 1 more right here. Okay, 3 Torx screws hold it in. Okay, like I said, this is how you remove your trimmer head or debris deflector, I think it's called. Okay, this is like a little washer type of deal. Right here, it just goes up there to hold the plastic on. All right, and then you just slide your let's slide it off. Okay, just slide it off, just toss it to the side. Not gonna be needing that no time soon. Okay, then you just take your washer shape thing and just put it back up there. Take your screws and just put them back in place. All right, get that one started. Grab another one and get it started. Okay, get it started. This is a very easy process as well. You know, I didn't know how to take mines off, but I found, you know, I just started tinkering with it and got it off. Okay, I didn't see any videos with how to remove it, so I decided to go ahead and make one for those of you that may not know how to get this thing off. You know, I've never worked on a lot of Echo trimmers. I always worked on steel because that's all I've ever owned was steel trimmers. They seem to be the best to me. It's just my opinion. But with all the new stuff that still got coming out, I've been hearing a lot of, you know, negative feedback on it. So I can't really say too much myself because I don't own any. I've been kind of scared to make the purchase. So I just decided to go with Echo this year. But I still got some of the older Echo equipment. I still got some FS 55s. I still got some of those. I still got some FS 90s. I still got, you know, I still have some of them as well. And so I'm gonna just hang on to the ones that I got, and we just go from there. Okay, so there's how you put that little metal piece back. And then all you're gonna do, you're gonna take your head back. Like I said, this is a cheap one from Amazon. You're just gonna take it and spin it counterclockwise this time. Okay, wait a minute, I'm sorry. Get your gear, the little gear head that we took off. Go ahead and take and slide that back up there. Okay, go ahead and slide that back up there because you're gonna need that in order to be able to tighten it. Okay. All right, and then just take your head and just take it and spin it counterclockwise. Okay, go ahead and get that going counterclockwise until you feel it starting to get tight. All right, tighten it up a little bit. Then grab your screwdriver again. Okay, if I can find what I did with it. Okay, you're gonna grab your screwdriver. You're gonna stick it back in that little slot that I showed you one time before. Okay, that little slot that's right here. You're gonna slide it right in there. Okay, and then you're gonna turn it head to the counterclockwise till it's tight, and you're done. Okay, and that's what it's gonna look like after you finish. You won't have a guard up there anymore. You're just gonna have to keep your eyes on your screen as you kick it out. You're gonna have to keep your eyes on it so that you'll know how long the screen is. Make sure you keep your pair of wire pliers as well to keep your screen trim. Okay, so this is Elijah's Repair showing you how to remove your debris deflector from your trimmer. I mean, I don't recommend you to do it, but me personally, I just like it with this type of trimmer, the Echo. Like I said, this is my first time running Echoes. This is my first year running them. I always had steel, so we're gonna try the Echoes out this year, and we'll see what they got, you know. So yeah, this is Elijah's Repair signing off. All right, peace.